This is a somatic tracking exercise to support you in building your capacity to be with what you feel inside your body. Our goal is to simply observe without needing to change what you notice, whether it's a thought, an emotion, or a body sensation. As you do this exercise, I want to invite you to let go of the weight you may hold about everything that feels like a responsibility. This is your time to set down the burden of holding it all together. In this moment, your only job is to witness what expresses in your own body, mind, and heart from a place of lightness and curiosity. The world inside of you can be a place to visit that is free from burdens and weights. Even your thoughts can be less weighted inside this world because you will be practicing allowing them to ebb and flow, just like cloud formations in the sky. This is your time to engage with your mind and body in an easy way. Find a comfortable position as you prepare to connect with your body, and close your eyes if it feels okay to do so. Now take a moment and notice the contact between your body and whatever is holding it up. Feel the contact between the back of your legs, your seat, along your back, and your feet if they are making contact with a surface. Keep your attention on that contact and notice the slight pressure of being held up and supported. As you are feeling into these sensations, you may notice thoughts arising. This is perfectly normal. Our thoughts are automatic, and we can't control what comes into the mind, but we can observe without judgment or the need to change it. Just acknowledge the thoughts and allow them to pass by without trying to force them away or without getting too caught up in them. Now we're going to explore your inner landscape and see if we can locate some internal sensations through a lens of safety. When I say lens of safety, I want you to understand that checking in with your body is fundamentally safe. And I want you to be able to distinguish the difference between safety and discomfort. Some of the sensations you meet within your body may feel uncomfortable or even unpleasant. But even so, these sensations are safe, and it's okay to simply pay attention to them. That's all that we're trying to do here. We're going to do that in a way that is free from assumptions and conclusions, as if we are feeling the sensations for the first time. We aren't trying to fix or change the sensations, or even judge them one way or another. We're going to be practicing outcome independence. See if you can bring your attention to a physical sensation in your body. As a particular sensation draws your attention, allow an easy awareness to unfold. Try to witness the sensation from a place of curiosity and interest. You don't have to do anything about the sensations you notice. These are simply sensory feelings, and they are safe to experience. You don't have to change them or fix them or make them go away. Simply pay attention to them. Remember that as you see and witness these sensations, you don't have to be the sensations. You are creating some space between yourself and the sensations in your body so that you can become the witness rather than becoming enmeshed in the sensations, emotions, or thoughts. As you bring awareness to a sensation, can you name the quality of the sensation? What descriptions come to mind as you tune into this sensation? Is it concentrated in a small area? Or does it feel like it takes up a wide area of your body? Does the sensation move or does it pulse? As you continue exploring these sensations, I want to remind you that you are safe in this moment and your body is okay. This is simply your brain turning up the volume on a signal that it mistakenly categorized as unsafe. If you are noticing emotions arising as you do this practice, allow them to be there as well. What are you noticing in your body now? Are any of the sensations getting bigger or smaller? Are they moving around? Just continue to follow wherever a sensation goes and however it expresses with curiosity. When we can step back and mindfully witness the sensations without judgment or expectation, they become quite interesting. When we can see just how creative our brain can be in orchestrating such unique expressions, we might even feel a kind of appreciation for it. Now take a minute and return your attention to your body where it makes contact with whatever is holding you up. Notice again that sense of support and holding. If you are under the covers, feel into the security of being surrounded by that soft and comforting blanket. All bodies create sensations. Our nervous system takes information from the environment and from inside the body itself and sends that information up to the brain so it can determine if it's safe or dangerous. When we've been really disconnected from our body and not paying attention, the signals can get louder and the brain can misinterpret them as a threat. It wants to keep us safe, so it tries to alert us to what it believes is dangerous. Most often, this comes in the form of a pain signal, but sometimes the brain turns on other danger signals like anxiety or depression or an immune response, or it sends out strong neurological signals, dizziness, or even fatigue and nausea. Each of these signals has their own unique sensory experience in the body. When we distill them down to sensation without judgment or fear and remain open to curiously exploring them from this lens of safety, they can transform to something different. They can become less overwhelming, frightening, and uncomfortable. Let's return now to the sensations in your body and tune into another one that is catching your attention. I want you to simply follow it as if you are watching a cloud formation in the sky as it slowly changes shape. 1 minute the cloud might look fluffy and large, and the next it might fan out to a wispy, thin cloud, slowly losing form. How would you describe the quality of the sensation now? Is it loud in volume or soft? Does it move around or does it stay fixed in one place? What kind of shape does it have? If you notice yourself tracking the sensations with intensity, or you feel a desire to make them shift, change, or go away, just notice that and remind yourself that you don't have to fix this. It's just a sensation, and your only goal here is to notice it. When we take the time to explore the landscape of our body and the sensations that are a natural part of that landscape, it reminds the brain that all is well. Continuing to notice the sensations in this safe and reassuring way helps to restore good communication between the brain and the body. What are you noticing about the sensation now? Has it changed location? Has the quality of the sensation changed? Sometimes the sensations will get bigger, and sometimes they get smaller or disappear. Again, it doesn't matter what happens. Our goal is to simply track it with curiosity and outcome independence. We are reappraising these sensations as okay, no big deal, so we really don't care if they go away. It's not a sign that you aren't doing it right if the sensations stay the same or even if they get bigger. So just stay with them, allow that to happen, and keep reassuring yourself that the sensations are perfectly okay. It's just your brain. When you feel complete with your tracking, go ahead and return your attention to the contact being made between your body and what is supporting you. As you begin to wrap up this somatic tracking exercise, I want to remind you of the power of your presence. You don't have to force healing or be doing exercises all day to get your body to heal. It's okay to be exactly where you are and to remind yourself that you can let go of all the efforting and feeling like you should be doing more. Just meet yourself to the best of your ability each moment, and it's enough. Take a few seconds to wiggle your body again, bringing your awareness back into the here and now. And when you feel ready, you can open your eyes and reorient to your environment by looking around the space. Continue practicing these meditations as often as it feels supportive, and have a kind day.